This is a knex roller coaster we made all by ourselves. See,
we made it all by ourselves.
Yeah. See, like goes up there. It goes up a hill, like goes like on a 90-degree thing right there. Goes right there. And it goes like upside down. It's like airtime kind of. Then like does a loop type thing. Then like banks into this, and then it goes just a regular bank. It kind of goes upside down right there. It goes, then it goes, and then it like twists, and then it goes upside down, and then it goes back up. It does an elephant. Can you turn it on?
Look on the other side first. It looks cooler on the other side.
This is this is the major structure right here.
Yeah, everything goes off of the major structure. Even these parts right here. See, this gray bar comes off of the structure, and then it comes right there.
Because we had to put those so it doesn't fall over.
Yeah,
we just
turned out to be.
Yeah, we just put those for it to connect.
And they became helpful to us.
No. Okay, Jake.
Okay,
just turn it on. That's enough information.
We need new batteries for the motor.
Yeah, so it might go slow.
Cucumbers.
I'll go from it to this side. Yeah, it's kind of slow. Hey, Jake.
I need to easy that.
Cucumber.
It's really cool. This is the second roller coaster we made without instructions. First roller coaster.
Now watch it from right here.
Well, the first roller coaster was kind of crappy because I always had problems.
Now watch it from the other side.
Very cool. A lot of the people that are watching, we know you can make better ones, but this is the best one we ever made.
We'll try to make the track longer, but it doesn't really have a lot of the speed on the hill. It's only I think it's only like 2 feet tall.
It's not that tall.
We could make it taller because we have a lot of chain, and so
The major structure.
the major structure is from our knex
Model of it there.
Yeah, the Aero 360. We used one of the main things. Well, one more time. I know. One more time.
Yeah, watch the Aero 360 video.
Here, I'll zoom in on the loop type thing. See, it goes on the loop thing. Goes right there.
We were building this last night and we finished it.
Then it goes through here. Oh.